Hello everyone, Mito D Green here, and this is going to be a review of the Power Rangers Wild Force Blue Ranger. This guy is not available in America yet, so I splurged and I picked him up from an overseas seller. So here we have the front of the box, side. Here's the back. The other side. Here it is, Wild Force Blue Ranger. At the bottom there's not much. At the top there's nothing. So let's open up this package and see what this figure is all about. And here he is out of the packaging. So let's go with his accessories first. So he comes with these two open hands. There's two weapons here, the blue shark fighting fins. I believe that's what they were called in America. I'll put the Japanese version of the Japanese name of these on the screen when I find it. This Crystal Saber. This Crystal Saber is not complete. This right here is supposed to be blue to symbolize that he's the Blue Ranger, and his handle is not supposed to be blue. This handle is supposed to be white, I believe. He also comes with an effect piece here, so you can peg in the effect piece here onto the weapon. There's a tiny hole here, so you can peg it in that way. And last but not least, we have his helmet. The helmet is very glossy, very shiny. Definitely looks like a shark. I think that the visor is a little bit too small for him, but I think it works. Here we have the top, and the fins, the gills. All around a good looking helmet. And here we have the figure. Here's Max. I think he looks great. I think he looks more show accurate to the actor than most of the other figures that we've seen in the past. So here we have the suit. He's technically number 3 on the team. So he has 3 stripes in his badge, in his sash, sorry. And you have the shark here on the side. Here in the middle you have the, can you see that? No. That's the emblem for the Gaorangers / Power Rangers Wild Force. Color goes all the way down to the boots. So white gloves, colored boots. Here's the back. The paint goes all the way to the back. Looks absolutely phenomenal. I think this is probably one of my favorites. Okay, so I have people walking above me because I'm in my basement right now, so I'm going to run through these articulations really quickly. It's the same as all the other figures, but we're going to do them anyway. Alright, head, neck, shoulders, bicep, wrist swivel, abdomen, ab crunch. Alright, there is no waist swivel with this, and that's why we have this up here. Leg can go out this far, not back that far. There is thigh swivel here, put it in the frame. And we have a boot cut here, and an ankle rocker here. And we have a double elbow joint here, and a double knee joint. So all in all, this figure is great. This figure, whatever you want to call him, it's rather You want to call him the Blue Shark Ranger, or Max, the Blue Wild Force Ranger, or Gal Blue, whatever you want to call him. I really do appreciate this figure, and now that we have one more in the Gaoranger family / Wild Force family, we have arguably 4 more to go. I say arguably because I'm not sure if they will release another figure. Maybe Princess Shayla will be released along with the rest of the Wild Force Rangers. But for right now, we have silver and we have blue. So now we just need white, red, yellow, and black. Well, that's all for right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.